If you want to see me compare these two holiday sets from Lancôme, the Glam and the Glow, then stick around. Hi there, it's Hélène, and yes, we are going to be comparing these two mega sets from Lancôme. One of them is called Glam, it is the cooler option. One of them is called Glow, it is the warmer option. And I want to go over, first off, what is different between the two boxes, and do I think it really matters? So first off, let's go over what is the same in both boxes, and mostly it's the skincare and tools that are the same. The first thing that you get is a Bifacil 125 ml, or was it 4.2 fluid ounces, same in both boxes. Both boxes also include a double-ended brush, one for the blush and one as a shader brush. Each one of the kits includes a Cils Booster XL, which is a mascara primer or a lash primer, and it is full size. Also included is Le Crayon Kohl, which is a black kohl liner, if I can open it. Looks like this. It's very big as a liner, so full size. And both kits include some Génifique products. This one is the Youth Activating Concentrate, a serum, and this one is the eye cream. And the eye cream is 15 ml, which means it is a full-size eye cream, and then the serum is 20 ml, which would also be considered a full-size, the smaller full-size, but it's still one of the, it's not a sample, it's full-size product. And that is where the similarities end. The Glam palette includes the Hypnose mascara, which is a volumizing mascara. You can see how the wand is quite big. And the Glow kit includes this Définicil, which is more of a defining and lengthening mascara, and this is what the wand looks like. And that is the one that I have in my lashes or on my lashes today. And the eyeshadow palettes are different. The Glam is a more cool toned palette, although definitely has some neutral and warm options there, and a warmer and a cooler blush. And the blushes can definitely also double as eyeshadow. And each palette has the same layout with a big mirror and includes the same amount of product, which is 16 grams, which I figure is 1 gram per eyeshadow and 3 grams per cheek product. So that was the Glam version. This is the Glow version, and it is the one I have on my eyes today. Same palette layout, 2 blushes. Again, this one is not as rosy as the one in the Glam palette. And again, 10 eyeshadows and the mirror that you can see there as well. Of note, I don't have a preference for the mascaras, and I don't have a preference for the palettes. Both sets of products are, in my opinion, of equal quality and have some good surprises in each one, so I'm pretty happy about that. Now for the lipsticks. I keep leading with the Glam version first, so I'll do the same here. There are 3 lipsticks in the Glam version. There is Wine Party, Racy. A Glam Party is, Wine Party is $3.78. Racy is $3.42. And this last one is 126 Natural Beauty. So that is for the Glam version. Now for the Glow version, we have a repeat lipstick from last year, which is Red Stiletto, which is a beautiful bluish red. Next up, we have Pale Lip. It's literally called Pale Lip, which is 307. It's a cream. And last but not least, we have sugared maple, which is a sheen, and it is $2.56. If you want to see swatches videos of all of these products, I would recommend the respective swatch video for each one of those collections. And a last item that is different between the two is the biggest item in the box, and that is the train case. This train case is the one that comes in the Glam box. So that is the one that is the cooler tones, and as you can see, it has a patent leather feel. And this one is the one that comes in the glow version. And you can see that it is a matte version of the train case with kind of a nice print on it. The thing that is of interest, I think, to this one is that it matches the train case from last year. I don't remember, I could be wrong, I don't remember a patent train case last year, but I could be wrong. If I am wrong, please let us know in the comments. I would like to to correct myself if I'm wrong, and if I am wrong, I will pin a comment. So there we go. That is the difference, the biggest difference, so to speak. And you want to be careful when you look at those two different options. They look virtually the same on the packaging. You really need to take a look at the picture of the set to make sure that you check the eyeshadow palette as the main differentiator in the picture to make sure you're getting the one that you want. The cost of these sets is $90 with it's a purchase with purchase. So you get to buy this for $90. I believe the amount that you need to spend $90 Canadian with a spend of $50 Canadian on another product. And I don't think it's too hard to find a $50 value item from Lancôme. I ended up last year picking up a dual finish. I've also just gone for a couple of the full-size Monsieur Big to get one of these sets. There are a lot of good products, and they have right now a bunch of gift sets that you can purchase this year because it's an easy thing to add on, especially since gift sets, if you pay attention, some of the gift sets are actually some pretty good value. So that's it. Those are the differences between the two sets as far as just being pragmatic and knowing what is in the box. About 60% of the products are the same. As I said, all the skincare is the same. But if it matters to you what palette you have, what train case you have, what mascara you have, and the lipstick colors, then you want to choose wisely between the two. Now, if you want to know whether the whole set is worth it, you may want to take a look at this video. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. But for now, take care.